panibagong drama series sa pagbibidahan ni Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano at ipapalabas po ito sa Kapatid Network this next week at after yan ng Incognito. Bongga! Narito pong report. From Binondo to LU, dyan tayo dadali ng paboritong Gen Z love team of today, ang Dawn Bell. Mapapanood sa TV5 ang kanilang View at Dreamscape series na How to Spot a Red Flag.
Happy anniversary, love.
Happy anniversary.
Kung sa nagdaan nilang serye na Can't Buy Me Love, bingling ang bansag sa kanila. This time, sila naman ang matcha, as in si Matt at Charm. Light man ang serye, binunyag ni Bel na may mas malalim na mensahe kaya ito ang titulo.
Kami ng bagong learning sa audience namin, most especially nowadays na talagang ang daming trolls online, ang daming scammers online, and catfishing, we have to be extra careful, and it's so nice that we're able to communicate that through this show.
Aminado ang Dawn Bell na lahat naman ay red flag dahil walang perpektong tao.
Lahat naman tayo, we have some form of red flag. I saw it more here in the show than before seeing a person as a flag. You have to understand that they went through a lot of stuff, which is why they got to that point.
Dahil naman sa serye, na-inlove ang Dawn Bell sa LU. Ang dami raw bagong activities ang natutunan nila, Donnie and Bell together, kagaya na lang ng surfing.
Nagulat talaga ako dito kasi first time pa lang,
Hindi naman.
nakatayo na siya. Masaya, nagiging bonding talaga yung surfing dun sa La Union. I think that's where it started kasi alam na namin pagdating namin ng La Union, very different feel, very different vibe.
Abangan ng Dawn Bell sa How to Spot a Red Flag simula January 27, 9:30 p.m. pagkatapos ng Incognito sa TV5.